Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GXXM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty rough day today. This is what I would call in technical jargon a gap and trap, meaning that the price, closed right here on Monday, and then right there gapped open there Tuesday morning, and then from there it just pretty much flushed the remainder of the day. However, to be fair and to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did show some nice signs of strength this afternoon with the nice bounce to the upside. And then from the big picture point of view, stayed above this purple line here, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. And I don't remember if I talked about that level or not in the video I did on Monday. But if I didn't, I'm definitely going to talk about it here. And, even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average. And you know that when the price is up above it, you do want to see the price stay above it because that signals that the overall trend is still flowing in, the bullish direction. And that's, like I said, beautifully happened here. So there was a big old pullback, but the price found support right at that level and then got the nice bounce from it. Now, there is perspective, and this is what makes the chart kind of tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint. What do I mean by perspective? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view the chart looks still rough for you. But if you do care about the big picture of things, even with the pullback, and because the price got the bounce, if you look at where the lows are, you had lows there, you've had lows there, and you've had lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, overall, big picture wise, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. Again, I'm well aware if you're a day trader, flipper, and you bought up there, then you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that those comments are being made from the grand scheme of things viewpoint. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have an opportunity to build an overall higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.